Top 10 home workouts to say goodbye to belly fat and hello to abs. Yo, what's up fit fam? Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, hey, I am Lena Jones and I'm so pumped you're here. If you're ready to say goodbye to belly fat and finally see those abs pop, you're in the right place. Today I'm bringing you a killer home workout that's gonna fire up your core, torch those calories and get you results, and the best part? No equipment needed, just your body, your energy, and that unstoppable mindset. But listen, I get it. You've probably tried a bunch of workouts before, right? You've done the crunches, the planks, the cardio, and still no abs? I've been there too. But here's the thing, it's not just about the moves. It's about how you do them and sticking with it. And trust me, today's routine, it's designed to push you, challenge you, and get you closer to those abs you've been working for. Stick around till the end, because I'm dropping my #1 secret for faster fat loss and ab definition, something that made all the difference in my own journey. I promise you don't want to miss this. So grab some water, roll out that mat, and let's get ready to work. And hey, if you're feeling hyped already, drop in the comments so I know you're with me. Let's go. 1. Plank. Alright fit fam, it's time for the move everyone loves to hate, the plank. But listen, don't sleep on this one. It's simple, yeah, but it's also one of the most powerful core moves you can do. Why? Because it works everything: your abs, back, shoulders, glutes, even your legs. This is a full body burner in disguise. Now let's get that form right, because a good plank, that's where the real magic happens. Wrists right under your shoulders if you're doing a high plank, or if you're on your forearms, keep those elbows in line. Squeeze your glutes, no saggy hips here. Imagine there's a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage that core like someone's about to punch you in the stomach, tight, solid, and strong. Feeling that shake? Good, that's your muscles working. Push through it, you're getting stronger with every second. Don't forget to breathe. Slow, controlled breaths will help you last longer and keep that core tight. We're halfway there, stay with me. If you're feeling spicy, try adding some shoulder taps or lifting one leg for an extra challenge. Yo, give yourself some love. That was tough, but you crushed it. Drop in the comments if you made it through without dropping, and if you didn't, no worries. Every second counts. Just keep showing up, and that strength will build. Ready for the next move? Let's keep this energy going. 2. Bicycle crunches. Don't let the name fool you, we're not just coasting through this one. This move, it's a total core sculptor, hitting your upper abs, lower abs, and those obliques all at once. Lie flat on your back, hands lightly behind your head, but don't yank your neck. Lift your shoulders off the ground and bring those knees up to a 90-degree angle. Now it's go time. Twist your torso, bringing your right elbow to your left knee while extending the other leg straight. Switch sides like you're pedaling a bike, slow and controlled. Now listen, don't just fly through this. It's not about speed, it's about form. Feel that twist? That's your obliques working overtime. Feel that stretch in your extended leg? That's how you know you're getting that full range of motion. The closer your legs stay to the ground, the harder your core works. So if you want an extra challenge, keep those legs low and stay in control. We're halfway there, don't stop. I know it's burning, but that's where the magic happens. Push through it. Phew, I know you felt that one. If your abs are on fire right now, drop in the comments, and if you didn't feel it, slow it down and focus on that twist next time. Trust me, form over speed always. Grab some water, take a breath, and get ready, because we're just getting started. 3. Mountain climbers. Alright fit fam, it's time to turn up the intensity with mountain climbers. This move, it's not just an ab killer, it's a total body cardio blast. We're talking core, legs, shoulders, and that heart rate through the roof. If you're ready to burn fat and build abs, this is the move that gets it done. Start in a high plank position, wrists right under your shoulders. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging hips, no booty in the air. Now drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time like you're sprinting in place. Keep your core tight, back flat, and move with control. Feel that? That's your core firing up and your heart rate spiking, exactly what we want. Stay strong, stay quick, but don't sacrifice your form. The faster you go, the higher the burn, but if you slow it down and really engage your core, you'll feel those abs working even harder. Want an extra challenge? Try crossing your knees toward the opposite elbow and hit those obliques too. We're halfway there, don't stop now. Push through that burn. This is where the real change happens. Yo, take a second and catch that breath. I know that one was no joke. If you made it through without stopping, drop in the comments, and if you had to take a break, no worries. Just means you're pushing your limits, and that's where growth happens. Wipe that sweat off, grab some water, and get ready for the next move, because we're just getting started. 4. Leg raises. Leg raises, don't underestimate this one. It looks simple, but trust me, your abs are about to feel the heat. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides or tucked under your lower back for support. Legs straight, feet together, engage that core and press your lower back into the mat. Now lift those legs slow and controlled, keeping them straight until they're at about a 90-degree angle. Lower them just as slowly, but here's the key, don't let your heels touch the ground. That's where the magic happens. happens. I know you're feeling it already, and that's exactly what we want. Keep those legs straight, control the movement, and keep that core tight. Imagine you're pulling your belly button down toward your spine. That's the secret to really activating those lower abs. Want to take it up a notch? At the bottom of each rep, hover your legs an inch off the ground and hold for a second before lifting back up. That extra tension, that's where the real burn lives. Halfway there, don't drop those legs. I know it's tough, but you're tougher. Push through. Yo, those abs are working right now. If you made it through without dropping those legs, drop it in the comments. And if you felt that shake, that's your strength building. Every rep counts. Take a breath, wipe that sweat, and get ready, because the next move, it's gonna take things up even higher. Let's keep going. 5. Russian twists. Alright, fit fam, get ready to twist and burn, because it's time for Russian twists. This move is a certified oblique killer, and if you're dreaming of that tight, defined waistline, this is where the magic happens. Sit on your mat, lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight and core engaged. Lift your feet off the ground, if you can, balancing on your sit bones. Clasp your hands together, or grab a weight for an extra challenge. Now twist, rotate your torso, tapping the ground on one side, then twisting to tap on the other. Feel that? That's your obliques firing up, and that's exactly what we want. Keep your chest up, move with control, and don't just swing your arms, make sure that twist comes from your core. Want to take it even further? Slow it down. The more control you have, the harder your muscles work, and that's how you build strength and definition. We're halfway there, stay with me. If your abs are shaking, that just means you're doing it right. Yo, you crushed that. If you kept those feet off the ground the whole time, you're a beast. Drop in the comments. And if you had to take a break, no worries, every rep you pushed through makes you stronger. Take a breath, shake out those abs, because we're not done yet. The next move, it's gonna take things up another level. Let's keep going. 6. Burpees. Alright, fit fam, it's time to bring the heat. Love them or hate them, you can't deny the power of burpees. This move is the ultimate fat blaster, firing up your core, legs, arms, and sending your heart rate through the roof. Exactly what we need to burn that belly fat and see those abs shine. Start standing tall, feet shoulder width apart, core tight and ready to move. Drop down into a squat position, hands hitting the ground in front of you. Kick your feet back into a high plank, keep that body in a straight line. Drop into a push-up if you're feeling savage. Jump your feet back and land softly, and explode up into the air, reaching your hands high. This isn't just a workout, this is you getting stronger, faster, and fitter. Every jump, that's a step closer to your goals. Every push-up, that's more definition coming through. Stay focused, you've got this. Land softly when you jump up, protect those knees, and stay light on your feet. And if you need to modify, step your feet back instead of jumping, but don't stop moving. Halfway there, keep pushing. I know it burns, but this is where champions are made. If you made it through without stopping, you're an absolute beast. Drop in the comments. And if you had to take a break, that's okay, you showed up, and that's what counts. Just promise me this next time you go even harder. Grab some water, catch your breath, and get ready for the next move, because we're just getting started. 7. VUPS. Alright, fit fam, it's time to take things to the next level with VUPS. If you want abs that pop, this is the move that's gonna make it happen. We're working the upper abs, lower abs, and that deep core stability all in one powerful motion. Lie flat on your back, legs straight, arms extended overhead like you're reaching long from head to toe. Now tighten that core and lift your arms and legs at the same time, reaching your hands toward your toes. Form a V shape at the top, keep your legs straight and your core engaged. Lower down slow and controlled, no flopping. Stay in control all the way down. This isn't just about getting up there, it's about that control. Keep your core tight and your movements smooth, no jerking, no momentum. That's how you build real strength and definition. Struggling to keep your legs straight? Bend your knees slightly, just make sure you're still engaging that core and lifting your upper body off the ground. Halfway there, stay with me. I know it burns, but that's where the results happen. Push through it. If your abs are on fire right now, you're doing it right. Drop a in the comments. And if you had to take a break, no sweat, just keep showing up and you'll get stronger every time. Take a second, catch your breath, because the next move, it's gonna keep this burn going. Let's crush it. 8. Reverse crunches. Alright, fit fam, it's time to zone in on those lower abs with reverse crunches. If you want that lower belly to tighten up and those abs to pop, this is your move. And trust me, you're gonna feel every rep. Lie flat on your back, arms by your sides, palms facing down for balance. Bend your knees and lift your feet off the ground, knees at a 90-degree angle. Now use your core strength to lift your hips off the ground, bringing your knees toward your chest. Lower back down slowly and controlled, no dropping. Keep that core engaged the whole time. Feel that lift? That's your lower abs working overtime. And the slower you lower down, the more you'll feel that burns, so don't rush it. Control is everything here. Keep your head and shoulders relaxed on the mat and focus on using your core, not your legs, to drive the movement. We're halfway there, don't stop now. I know it's burning, but that's the feeling of progress. Keep pushing. Yo, I know you felt that one. If your abs are shaking, that means you're doing it right. Drop in the comments if you pushed through, and if you're feeling that burn, hit me with a. Take a second to breathe, stretch out that core, because we're not done yet. The next move, it's gonna keep taking things up. 9. Plank to shoulder taps. Alright fit fam, it's time to level up with plank to shoulder taps. This move is all about core control, and if you want those abs tight and defined, you've gotta stabilize, engage, and own every rep. Plus we're hitting your arms, shoulders, and balance too. Total win. Get into a high plank position, wrists right under your shoulders, legs straight and core tight. Keep your body in a straight line, no sagging hips, no booty in the air. Now lift one hand and tap your opposite shoulder slow and controlled. Place it back down and switch sides, but here's the key: minimize the movement in your hips. Keep that core locked and tight. This isn't just about speed, it's about stability. The less you sway, the more your core works. Tighten those abs, squeeze those glutes, and keep your movements controlled. Spread your feet a little wider for more balance, or keep them closer together for a bigger core challenge. Want an even tougher version? Add a push-up between each tap. Halfway there, stay strong. I know your arms are burning, your abs are shaking, but this is where the magic happens. Push through. Yo, that was no joke. If you kept those hips steady the whole time, drop in the comments, because your core is solid as a rock. And if you felt that shake, that's your strength building with every rep. Take a breath, shake out those arms, because we're heading into the final move next, and we're gonna finish strong. 10. Jumping jacks or high knees. Alright team, we made it to the final round, and we're going out with a bang. You've crushed every move so far, and now it's time to empty the tank. We're talking pure energy, pure burn, and the perfect way to say goodbye to belly fat. Jumping jacks, classic, simple, but oh so effective. Keep those arms and legs moving fast, and keep your core tight the whole time. High knees, want to take it up a notch? Drive those knees up to your chest, pump those arms, and move like you mean it. Whichever one you pick, give it everything you've got. Ready, let's go. This is your final push, leave nothing in the tank. Get those knees high, or those jacks fast. Whatever you do, don't stop moving. If you're doing high knees, land softly, and keep that core engaged. If you're sticking with jumping jacks, keep those arms straight and full range of motion. We're almost there, 20 seconds left. Push harder, faster, this is where champions are made. Yo, you did that. If you made it through without stopping, drop in the comments. And if you gave it your all, hit me with a, because you earned it. Now take a second, breathe deep, wipe that sweat, and give yourself some credit. This wasn't easy, but you showed up and put in the work. And that's what gets results. Stay consistent, keep moving, and those abs, they're coming. I promise you, you crushed it. And if you're feeling that burn right now, guess what? That's your body getting stronger, your core getting tighter, and those abs coming through. But listen, don't stop here. Showing up today, that's just the start. Consistency, that's where the magic happens. And if you keep pushing like this, those results, they're coming. Now if you're serious about burning belly fat and building the leanest, strongest version of you, do me a favor, hit that like button so I know you're feeling this workout. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and join this amazing community. We're all here to push each other, motivate each other, and grow together. And hey, I want to hear from you. Drop in the comments if you felt that burn today, and tell me which move hit you the hardest. What kind of workouts do you want to see next? Your feedback helps me create the content you need. One more thing, remember that secret I promised you? Here it is, your abs are made in the kitchen. You can do 1,000 crunches a day, but if your nutrition isn't on point, those muscles stay hidden. So if you want me to break down the best foods for fat loss and definition, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a video on it. Alright fit fam, until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and keep showing up for you. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next one.